Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'm going to guide you through everything you need to know about AppSheet, especially if you're just starting out. AppSheet is an incredible no-code platform that allows you to create powerful apps directly from your data sources, such as Google Sheets, Excel, and other cloud-based platforms. If you need to simplify workflows, work better with your team, or build your own app, AppSheet makes it easy for anyone to use. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the sign-up process, give you an overview of the dashboard, and demonstrate how to create your first app step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to start with AppSheet. So let's jump right in. If you're new to AppSheet, let me give you a quick rundown. AppSheet is a no-code app development platform owned by Google. It empowers individuals and businesses to create fully functional mobile and web apps without coding knowledge. With AppSheet, you can turn your data into interactive apps, automate processes, and even integrate with third-party platforms to extend functionality. The platform is ideal for small businesses, educators, and anyone who wants to streamline their operations without investing in a developer. Its user-friendly interface and wide range of features make it a great tool for beginners and professionals alike. Now let me show you how you can create a new AppSheet account. To get started, go to appsheet.com and click on the Get Started button on the homepage. You'll see a couple of different sign-up options. You can sign up using Google, Microsoft, Apple, Dropbox, Smartsheet, Box, or Salesforce. Choose the option that is most convenient for you. For this tutorial, we'll sign up with Google. Once you select Google, follow the prompts to log in with your Google account credentials. After completing the sign-up process, your AppSheet account will be created and you'll be directed to your dashboard. Now, let's take a look at the AppSheet dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a vertical menu with options like Recent, Shared with Me, Owned by Me, and Templates. Each of these tabs is designed to help you manage and create your apps efficiently. The first option on the left menu is the Create button. This is where you can start building a new app. Whether you're starting from scratch or using a template, this button makes the process simple and straightforward. Next up, the Recent tab lets you quickly access the apps you've worked on, so you can easily continue where you left off. Below that, Shared with Me contains apps that others have shared with you. Make it a great place to find collaborative projects. Moving on, the Owned by Me section lists all the apps you've created, keeping your personal projects neatly organized in one spot. Lastly, the Templates tab offers a variety of pre-built app designs to help you get started right away. You can explore these templates and customize them to fit your needs. At the top of the dashboard, you'll see a search bar labeled Search All Apps. This feature helps you find any app quickly by typing its name or related keywords. In the top right corner, there are a few additional options. The account icon allows you to manage your profile and account settings. The help icon, which looks like a question mark, provides access to guides, tutorials, and support if you need assistance. The More Options menu, represented by 3 dots, includes additional features and settings for customizing your dashboard experience. Hey, quick interruption. Are you searching for the most efficient way to manage your business, life, or finances? Well, I'm excited to share a valuable resource with you all. We've developed top-notch Notion templates to streamline your business operations, enhance your personal organization, and optimize your financial management. Click the link down in the description of this video to check it out. All right, back to the video. Now let's discuss how you can create an app in AppSheet. To start, click the Create button. You'll see 2 options, App and Database. Since we're creating an app, hover over the App option and you'll see the 3 choices appear. Start with existing data, start with a template, and blank app. Let me briefly explain these options. The Start with existing data option allows you to build an app based on data you already have, like a Google Sheet or Excel file. The Start with a template option gives you access to pre-built app templates that you can customize. Finally, the blank app option is for those who want to build an app entirely from scratch. For this tutorial, we'll go with the Start with a Template option. Click on it and you'll be directed to a new tab where you can choose a template for your app. There are hundreds of templates available and you can use the search bar to find one that fits your needs. For this example, we'll select a simple survey template. Click the Copy button and a pop-up window will appear. Enter a name for your app and choose a category. Once done, click Copy App to clone the template. After a few moments, you'll be redirected to an AppSheet editor. This is where you can customize the app to suit your requirements. On the left-hand side of the editor, you'll find options like Data, Views/Format Rules, Actions, Automation, Intelligence, Security, Settings, Manage, and Learn. Each of these sections helps you customize your app effectively. The Data section lets you manage the data sources connected to your app, such as Google Sheets or Excel files. Views/Format Rules allows you to design the layout and appearance of your app, including how forms and tables are displayed. The Actions section lets you create custom actions like buttons that trigger specific tasks. Automation helps you set up workflows to automate repetitive tasks, while Intelligence enables AI-driven features like predictions. Security allows you to manage permissions and secure your app. Settings is where you can adjust overall app configurations, and Manage lets you monitor the app's performance and updates. Lastly, the Learn section provides helpful resources to guide you through using AppSheet. Whenever you click any option from the left side menu, it will appear in the main canvas of the editor. This is where you can directly modify and adjust the settings or features, making it easy to see your changes in real time. On the right side of the editor, you'll see a side panel where you can edit elements like buttons, date and time settings, colors, and more. You can also preview how your app will look on different devices, such as phones, tablets, or PCs, ensuring it works seamlessly across all formats. Once you're happy with your customizations, click the Save button at the top of the editor to save your changes. To share your app, click the Share button and enter the email addresses of the people you want to share it with. You can also adjust the app permissions to control who can view or edit it. And that's it. This way you can create and customize your app in AppSheet. Lastly, let's talk about the AppSheet pricing. To view the pricing, click on the three dots at the top right corner and select the pricing option from the drop-down menu. AppSheet offers 3 plans: Starter, Core, and Enterprise Plus. The Starter plan costs $5 per user per month. This plan provides basic application and automation features, making it ideal for small-scale projects. It allows you to connect your apps to spreadsheets and cloud file storage providers and includes access to the AppSheet database. The Core plan, which costs $10 per user per month, includes advanced application and automation features. In addition to everything in the Starter plan, it offers application security controls and email customer support. This plan is included in most paid Google Workspace plans, making it a popular choice for teams. The Enterprise Plus plan costs $20 per user per month. It includes all the features from the Core plan and more. With this plan, you get enhanced application security, team management tools, and governance controls. It also supports machine learning modeling and provides priority customer support. This plan is perfect for large organizations with complex needs. These plans make it simple to pick the right option for your needs, whether you're working on a small project or handling a larger team setup. AppSheet is a no-code app development platform owned by Google. It empowers individuals and businesses to create fully functional mobile and web apps without coding knowledge. With AppSheet, you can turn your data into interactive apps, automate processes, and even integrate with third-party platforms to extend functionality. The platform is ideal for small businesses, educators, and anyone who wants to streamline their operations without investing in a developer. Its user-friendly interface and wide range of features make it a great tool for beginners and professionals alike. And that's it for this tutorial. Today we covered how to sign up for AppSheet, explored its dashboard, created and customized your first app, and even discussed the pricing plans. I hope this tutorial made everything clear and easy to follow. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with AppSheet, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care.